Hey, how you guys doing? My name is Fred Wing. I'm doing my internship at DPC, that's Delaware Psychiatric Center in Wilmington, Delaware. Um, what I hope to get out of this class is a better understanding of what trauma is and how to identify it. When I look at our society today, I feel like we've all gotten used to functioning um, in like a certain atmosphere, and I don't know. I just feel like we've all um, experienced trauma, but it's become like a norm now. So, like, how do you identify when you've been traumatized? And then once you identify it, like, how do you address it? You know, um, I feel that this class would help me in my career later on, as far as like I want to work with I guess like adolescents, teens, um, in that age realm. Um, I don't know. I just feel like a lot of the kids are traumatized. A lot of them been abused, physically, sexually, emotionally. I mean, just things such as, you look at the beatings of African Americans, to things that maybe uh, happen in the LBTQ community, LBGTQ, I think I said that right, community. Even as far as like the government shutdown, all those things are, we adjust and we move on, but we it causes us to change our perception, our way of thinking. And I think that's how we know that we've been traumatized, when it causes us to think different or act differently than what we would usually act um, in different situations. So I don't know if that made any sense, but that's what I hope to get out of this class, and I look forward to it. Thank you very much.